If you're posting on socials and not getting any clients, this is why. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to break down the whole client getting process in a way that will finally make sense. And by the end, you'll know exactly what you're missing. I want to take Sarah as our example. She's a brand designer for wellness coaches. She's absolutely fabulous, not just as a person, but she's a damn good strategic designer. She was constantly showing up on Instagram with gorgeous posts, but all she got in return were likes, not what she actually needed, which were clients. So she did what anyone else might do in her situation. She doubled down on posting, which made her more tired. She was exhausted, overwhelmed, and still no clients. She began to question herself as a creative because no one that saw her content expressed any interest in hiring her as a designer. Now, I want to assure you that it was not her creativity that was getting in her way. It's just that she had no client getting system. And as we know, likes, they aren't sales. So what is a client getting system? Well, it's the funnel. I hate that word. You hate that word. Everyone hates the word. But it describes it really, really well. So I want you to start imagining a few things, okay? Imagine you're walking down the street and suddenly this amazing aroma hits you. Fresh bread, spices, something really delicious. You start looking around, curious, wondering, where is this coming from? That aroma, that's your marketing. Your Instagram posts, your podcasts, your TikToks, they catch people's attention and make them curious about you. Here's the problem. If there's no clear sign telling you where the aroma is coming from, you'll get distracted by the next aroma on the next street corner. And that sign, that direction, that's your call to action. It points people clearly to the next step. Now, you follow the smell into the restaurant. Imagine that. A waiter greets you. This is the start of the funnel. They sit you down, they give you the menu, explain what's on offer. Maybe it's a lead magnet, a webinar, a sales page, whatever gives people the info they need to say, yeah, I want that. And think about it. Once you're in a restaurant, it's actually hard to leave. You've been welcomed in. You've sat down. The menu's in your hands. And that's exactly what a good funnel does. It keeps people engaged and moving naturally toward the point where they want you to buy. And you will want to buy it. They don't force you. Finally, you order the dish. You eat the meal. That's the offer itself. That's the moment someone becomes a client and experiences the transformation you promised. But if you never build a restaurant, the signs, the waiter, the menu, the process, people will just keep walking by, smelling something good, but never really buying. That's what's happening to Sarah. She's locked herself away with all her craft, aroma escaping from the exhaust, but no one really knowing the goodness she can create and what she has to offer. You may have also heard people talking about a flywheel. A funnel gets people coming in, it gets them to order, to eat, to leave happy. But a flywheel, that's when the experience is so damn good, they come back with friends, they leave 5-star reviews, they post about it on social media, and suddenly the restaurant is full every night without you handing out flyers. The flywheel is about creating so much value that your clients become your best marketers. But it only works if the funnel, the restaurant experience, actually exists first. Most creatives are stuck because they're missing that bridge. The system that turns all the marketing into actual sales. I can either coach you through it or build it for you. Also, you can finally stop winging it and start signing clients predictably. If you want the whole thing done for you, the link is below. Let's get your system built. Stop leaving money on the table, leverage your content and start signing clients predictably. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you later.